Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel. There's a bit of a craze going around now on social media, and that is Smashburger tacos. So we thought here at Dutchy Cooking we'd get in on the act. We're going to do one right now, right here on the Thurso Mini Caterer. So first thing onto our plancha is a little bit of onion. I'm going to pop our tortilla on. So next thing I'm going to take is 140 grams, that's about 4 ounces of ground beef. We're going to sit it on top of the onions and we're going to push it into them, a bit like a Oklahoma burger. Then we're going to give it a good sprinkling with Dutch's taco seasoning. I'll put a link above to show you how to make this. Just see the outsides of this ground beef now starting to get cooked. We're going to flip it over. Just got an handful of grated cheddar cheese I'm going to sprinkle on top to get this melted down. We're going to put our patty now on top of our tortilla wrap. Let the bottom side of the wrap get nice and brown. So just to finish this Smashburger taco off, we're going to put some chili mayo down, some green leaves, and I've got some sliced pickles. So there we have it. That's Dutch's Smashburger taco. We're going to go in for a bite. Got some paper towel here because I know this is going to be juicy. That is really nice. You can really taste that taco seasoning coming through, and all in all, it's a nice bit of lunch.